Om Shri Krishna Namah. Om Shri Vasudevaya Namah. Good morning, everybody, yoga practitioners, for your salvation, liberation, moksha, self-unfoldment, and those who are striving for wisdom, the knowledge of this kshetra, this body, this manifestation, outer world means, and the Kshetragya, the knower. So, here I go. Whatever meditations we are doing, whatever karmas we are doing, so without exception, they culminate in knowledge. So knowledge is the raft that takes us across this mundane existence. And the other way, to cross this jungle of Maya, elusive state. So we need to become a tiger, a lion. Otherwise, this is full of lust, greed, anger, hypocrisy. So these are, you can say, the animals. If you are not a tiger, you'll be eaten up on your way. Either greed or lust at the most, Again, Lord Krishna, don't forget, Kev Yogi Vinodanand, lineage Devarha, Yudhishthira Prasad Tripathi, Jabalpur, Baglamukhi Shakti Peeth. Here the message goes for the Westerners, especially Americans and the other yoga practitioners, those who are not merely starving in the mob mentality for all these worldly things. You can go to Vedas. Well, that is to get all these worldly things, there are ways. But the truth is from the cave yogis, strive for the unknown, the mystery. So here I give you a secret. Whatever meditations you are doing, until unless you have not been able to open your Shushmana, it's nothing, it's just zero. It's merely more tapping into the Maya. For example, when your left swara flows, it's of Mother, Chandra swara. You do your meditation, the more you'll be trapped. In what? Motherly qualities. If it is motherly qualities or fatherly qualities, it's all elusive state. We have come 84 lakh species. Well, everything is good as for the trap. Elusive state. You can reach anywhere. Right from a beggar to, the king. But it's again elusive. So here the message goes. The purpose is to open your Shushmana. See now. Shushmana is open. This is because of the too much of, according to ways, as Newton's law we follow, in the yoga we follow, yam, niyam, asan, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. The Shushmana is flowing. This is the time. As dawn and dusk, I say, and everybody happens. But now, without opening your Shushmana, everything is rubbish. You are becoming born time and again. So the real meditation is, again I told you, when your Sushmana is not flowing, your left swara is flowing, you do meditation, you'll be more trapped into this Maya with motherly qualities, very, very compassionate. Even if your kitten is sick, you may keep weeping, weeping and weeping. Compassion. This is for the elusive state, procreation. Then if the right swara is flowing, your fatherly qualities come, valor, wars, victorious, to dominate others. But this too again is elusive state. So to transcend all these limits of all this world, why we call it dreamy state, Shushmana is to be opened. So this is the most secret point I'm giving you. Kev Yogi Vinodanand, lineage Devarha Baba. I'm at Gurdwara Gursagar side right now. And these days, it's my abode for the time being. So, at old age home near Sukhna Lake, you can come. And for selected few, again I say, those who can afford to be celibate, those who are, worldly, they have not to strive like labor for their livelihood, so yoga won't be possible, Those who are at a comfortable state, okay, or either you don't have any desire. Ichha dukkha karana means desire are the cause of miseries. If you don't have any desire, well and good. Even if you don't have money, it will do. You come. If you are able to, if you can afford celibacy, solitude, non-violence, join me. You'll be on the right path, right track. Follow the lineage, Devarha Baba. Om Jai Mahakal. Most welcome to this place. Again, I never forget the message of gratitude, and you should also never forget. Even if you watch these videos, those people who are doing social work, you must pay gratitude to them. So, Shushmana, again I told you, everything is rubbish, talk. You can call it all in the sphere of this orbit of the Maya. Elusive. Whatever you are doing, You aham brahmasmi. Until unless you reach that stage, you will be illusioned. Either you are teaching or you are learning. Oh, once you are beyond dualism, you cannot teach even anybody. Only you can be like, oh, good Godheads. Shri Guru Gobind Singh Ji here. Oh, bravery to follow the footsteps of these gods. Prophet Muhammad Sahib, then your Lord Krishna, Rama, Jesus. We have to follow, but they can be incarnations. We call them incarnations. Otherwise, everybody, whatever action you are doing, you are teaching, you are learning, once you reach the dualism, you cannot teach because you find everybody God there. Then you act like Godheads. So here the message goes even to the preachers and to the teachers. They understand whether they are teacher or preacher or their Sushmana is open or not. I talk of yoga. Bhakti yoga is different. Katha Vachak is different. You complete surrender if you can. God will take care of it. Otherwise, if you are a yogi, think of Sushmana opening. Mastering asanas for headstand, for example, ask together. Not mere monkey jumping yoga won't lead you anywhere. You want to get rid of depression, anxiety, foreigners. Oh, fabricated techniques don't lead you anywhere, especially yoga. You will have to follow the disciplines, and it automatically happens. All the best. Yogi Vanadant welcomes you here. The director happens to be Vivacharan Kamalji and Pritpalji, so we must pay gratitude. I am here. As long as I am here, it's my abode for the time being. Most welcome, you can meet me. Absolutely philanthropic, no money. No institutions, no buildings. Under the trees, in the shade of trees. Jungle here. With a beautiful melodious voice of peacocks crowing, birds chirping. Jai Mahakal, welcome.